you have to fill out Form 2210, which is the IRS penalty form. Page 3 allows you to put your income in the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. And so therefore, you've got this extra income in the fourth quarter. You'll only have to pay that estimate in the fourth quarter, but just make sure you fill out that form.
Got Carl Spackler again from Caddyshack.
That groundskeeper has a lot of money questions, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Right.
Hi, Andy. I didn't fill out the online questionnaire as it failed me in the past. Okay.
That's 2 for 2.
For the website. Killing the game. We manage $4 billion of client assets. Don't you think we could get a
can't get a website to
can't get a website to
ask a couple questions? Doesn't work.
Hopefully this works just as well. If I do a $50,000 Roth conversion in December, will the IRS care that I did not pay estimated taxes throughout the year? Can I just pay $12,000 or so on the fourth quarter 1040 estimates? I didn't anticipate making this move, so it doesn't seem fair that they wouldn't tax me earlier than when I actually made the taxable transaction. Not that the IRS cares about being fair. Thanks, Carl. Al?
Yes. So that's Carl. That's a great question. And no, the IRS doesn't care because you got the income in the fourth quarter. And so you only have to pay that estimate in the fourth quarter. However, you have to fill out Form 2210, which is the IRS penalty form. Page 3 allows you to put your income in the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. And so therefore, you've got this extra income in the fourth quarter. You'll only have to pay that estimate in the fourth quarter, but just make sure you fill out that form. Otherwise, you will be penalized. But that's the mechanism for not having to pay estimated payments earlier. No problem.
If you did in third quarter, what happens?
Third quarter is fine. I mean, as long as you do it before it's required, right? So in other words, if he does this in December, that's in the fourth quarter. So the estimated payment would be due in January. He would essentially have lower income first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and that's what you show on that Form 2210. The higher income is in the fourth quarter, which requires that estimated payment in the fourth quarter.
Well, doesn't the 120, 125 rule kind of come into play depending on what you made the previous year? And
well, sure. I mean, I'm assuming that this goes over that because it's maybe a bigger amount. But yeah, I mean, so the estimated tax rule essentially is if you pay in 100% of last year's tax or 110% if your income's over 150 grand, you're not going to be penalized no matter what. Or if you pay in 90% of this year's tax, you're not going to be penalized. Assuming that this doesn't fall under either of those, then you fill out the Form 2210 and avoid penalty by annualizing your income.
All right, Carl.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.